So hello everyone, welcome to Tarot with Chiva. So ngayon po babasahan naman po natin lahat ng signs about sa kanilang love and relationship. So this is general reading lang po. Only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So ngayong araw po meron tayong total lunar eclipse na gaganapin. So during this powerful eclipse, no, ito yung mga nakatagong mga emosyon na mailalabas natin or it will come to light. And what it meant for you will stay. And what is not aligned, no, will gently parang surrender or fade away siya. So this is not ordinary energy. This is karmic, no? This is destiny. This is truth and revealing itself, no? So be mindful lang po, no, na eclipse energies unfolds over the next 3 to 6 months. Water sign. So, unahin natin si Cancer, no? Si Cancer. So, this is a general reading for your love and relationship. Love, energy, and your relationship. Okay? So, this is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement po. Only takes for resonate with you and leave what doesn't. So, tignan natin ang love life ng ating mga Cancer. First, bibigyan mo na kita ng iyong Moon message for our Cancer. Cancer, please. Cancer. Conclusion are within reach. Ooh, conclusion are within reach. Full moon eclipse. Wow. Cancer, it's you. It's you. Full moon, di ba? May full moon tayo ngayon. Not full moon, eclipse. It's a total lunar eclipse naman. Pero, wow, lumabas din yung full moon eclipse, no? Wow. Conclusion are within reach. Marireach ka talaga. Malakas ang iyong emotional energy for today because your ruling planet, which is si Moon, ay magkakaroon ng total lunar or total eclipse, lunar eclipse today. So, no, stay grounded, no? Stay grounded, meditate, Cancer, especially sa mga water sign natin. Mga water sign natin dyan. Okay. So, let's see. For Cancer. For Cancer, love. Love for Cancer. Love for our Cancer. Love energy for our Cancer, please. Alright, you have the King of Wands, you have the Page of Swords, you have the Knight of Swords, you have the King of Cups, you have the Three of Swords, and you have the Six of Cups. Okay. So you might dealing with Sagittarius. Wow. Scorpio. Water sign. Scorpio, you have your card here. So, when it comes to love life, okay naman, mukha namang stable yung iyong love relationship or anything na may situation ka ngayon, no? But it's, looks like it's boring for you. No, it's not. Mabilis. Mabilis. Grabe ha, ang gulo ng... May mga curiosity ka sa relationship, no? You are very focused, no? Alert. Parang intellectual, no? And you are in control in your own relationship. And you're in your own emotional state, no? Which is, yan yung iyong power eh. Yan yung power mo para maging mag-victory ka or manalo ka sa any situation of your relationship because you are a leader of your own emotion, no? Ba't mabilis? Bakit mabilis lumalabas ito? Clarify natin to later on. No? May mga curiosity ka pa sa mga relationship mo. No? And then in the other hand, heartbreak. Ba't may heartbreak dito? Maganda naman yung dito. Bakit may heartbreak dito? No? Nostalgia. Okay. May mga sadness, no, noon na nangyari sa'yo. It can be last year of September, or we can say around September, mga ganyan, October, November, no, last year, or basta ganitong buwan. Hindi natin alam kung last year or nung mga nakaraan pang mga taon. But during this period of time, no, lumalabas dito na may heartbreak daw, may loss daw, may trauma, no, may trauma na ganap. And then also you have, okay, I see. Meron ka na ritong emotional maturity and control diplomacy, no? Balance your head and heart, no? Devoted. So, ibig sabihin nito, Cancer, even though na meron ka mga ganitong napagdaanan, no? May mga ganito kang napagdaanan noon, no? During tong time na to, this period of time na binanggit ko kanina, no? Ito yung nagbigay sa'yo ng emotional maturity, no? Ito yung nagpa-intindi sa'yo, no? Na yung mga ganong mga situation noon is kaya mo na mag-handle ngayon. Kasi may mga curiosity ka pa man, minsan, no? Dito kay Page of Swords, no? Meron ka naman sa sarili mo, alam mo na ikaw ang leader ng sarili mong buhay, ng sarili mong emosyon, and then, mabilis man ang aksyon ng mga ito, mabilis man yung mga pangyayari noon na hindi mo inaakala na mangyayari, no? Noon, no? Kasi medyo naging perfectionist ka sa part na to, naging selfish ka sa part noon na yon, sa situation na yon, kaya nangyari yung ganun, no? Now, you already have a emotional maturity. No, wise ka na ngayon pumili. Wise ka na ngayon mag-stay sa isang relationship. Wise ka na ngayon mag-check or tignan mabuti yung good side of any situation or relationship because you have the King of Cups, no? And you might dealing with the Scorpio. Ang daming Scorpio kasi. And then your sign, you have Scorpio and Libra. No, you have Scorpio and Libra. And then air sign na. Air sign nga. Puro air sign yung lumabas. Libra, Gemini, or Aquarius. Puro air kasi. Yes, no? So, I think yun lang ang binibigay na energy sa atin ngayon about sa iyong love and relationship. And then, let's move to the next sign. Okay, let's move to Scorpio. So, this is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. This is general love reading for all signs. And now, babasahan naman po natin ang ating mga Scorpio. So, first, bibigyan ko muna si Scorpio ng kanyang moon message or moon card. Okay. Ito ang lumabas. Ito gusto niyang ibigay. The end of a tough cycle approach. A personal issue reaches solutions. Ito yung nasa taas. So, ito kukunin ko ha. The end of a tough cycle approach. Matatapos na daw yung cycle ng paghihirap mo, no? Nandyan na. Parating na yung ending. Nice. Okay. Kung ano man yung relationship, because this is a love relationship, kunin mo lang kung ano yung para sa'yo. Pwede mo ilagay yan. Ito dahil this is a moon energy. Pwede mong ilagay yan sa iyong career, sa iyong any situation of your life. Pero ito, ngayon, babasahan na kita, Capricorn, ng iyong love energy. Ano ba yung love energy for our Scorpio? Ano bang energy meron ngayon? No? Competition ka agad? Scorpio, competition ka agad? Bakit? Ano ba yan? Bakit naman? For Scorpio, love energy, please. Love energy for Scorpio. Ayun, dami nang lumabas. Okay, so you have your card, Scorpio. Water sign, Scorpio, water, 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 Jupiter, Sagittarius. You might dealing with Sagittarius. You have your lahat to card mo. I don't think na you're dealing with other things. You're dealing with other things because your energy is your energy, no? Energy ng Scorpio because you have Mars, which is your ruling planet. You have, isa lang, you have Sagittarius here. Then Moon, Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. Merong mga sikreto na kailangan lumabas para mabalance daw. Kasi meron ka ditong the High Priestess, no? And this is, meron ka ditong Six of Wands, which is about success, victory, recognition. No? You are standing up for yourself sa love. No? You're standing out for yourself because you have Seven of Wands. You are facing challenges and obstacles, but you are determined to stand your ground and defend your position. So, sa ating mga Scorpio, no? May mga sitwasyon na darating sa'yo para defensahan mo yung sarili mo. Pero, kaya mo naman because meron kang Seven of Wands about. This is about standing up for yourself, no? Defending yourself, in short. No? And, you have that, yun nga, may transformation, ending of the cycle, no? Transition. Ito nga yung sinasabi na the end of the tough cycle approach na. So, maganda ang iyong love life, no? Dahil may bagong, kung hindi man bagong karelasyon, meron kang bagong cycle sa relasyon mo. Parang may iba, mararamdaman mo yan ng parang may iba, mayroong pagbabago, parang mas nagbago ako makipag-approach sa relationship kaysa noon. So, ganun yung energy na ipinapakita. And this is intense attraction dito, ha? This is connection, feels karmic, powerful, but transformative. Very powerful daw yung pagta-transit mo, no? Wow. Transit mo. This is about yourself na magbabago ka ng approach when it comes to love, magbabago ka ng approach sa sarili mo. Mararamdaman mo daw yan, no? Kasi meron ka ditong almost lahat itong tatlong card na to na nasa baba, no? Ito is spirituality card, no? Mga spirit sila, sila. So, you are deeply connected with the divine, no? Connected ka. At ito yung parang, you're not telling to everybody about it, no? You are not telling to everybody about that, na yung pagbabago mo, no? Kasi wala akong ibang nakikitang ibang energy dito, kundi yung sarili mong energy, Scorpio. No, so this is your energy, no, and then we are clarifying sa love and relationship mo, no. So you have new feelings, you have emotional awakening, you have creativity, spirituality, and intuition. So new love, intuition, no, and balance, no, nakabalance. May patient ka may parang may sinasabi dito yung harmony mo, may patient, no, binabalance mo na, may patient ka, parang I can do this, parang kaya kong tiisin to, kaya kong magbago, kaya kong baguhin yung part na yung mga ginagawa ko dati is i-release ko na yon para kasi parang feeling mo sa sarili mo na mas okay itong ganitong bagong pagbabago sa'yo kaysa nung bumalik ka pa sa dati, no? And ito yung magtutulong sa'yo na magkaroon ka ng bagong recognition, bagong pagmamahal, bagong malakas na intuition. Wow, abundance to when it comes to love. Harmony and balance to when it comes to love. So, this is the end of the top cycle na, no? Ayun ang sinasabi. Very powerful but transformative ang aura ng energy mo na to, Scorpio, no? So, claim it, no? Hindi na kita i-clarify ng any card pa. Okay na yon, siguro maganda na yung information na nakuha mo dito sa energy natin ng basa dito sa atin. So, let's move to the next sign. So, let's move to the last sign, which is our Pisces. Pisces, unang bigyan muna kita ng iyon moon card or moon message. So, this is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only text will resonate with you and leave what doesn't. And this is for Pisces. You have adjustment are required. Adjustments are required daw, no? Quarter moon. Adjustment are required. Adjust din daw. Kailangan daw ng adjust. Okay, adjust sa love. Ikaw nang bahala kung saan mo ilalagay itong moon card or moon message mo. Pwede sa career mo, sa finance mo, or sa iyong love. It depends on you. Pero, ngayon, babasahan na kita ng iyong love energy. Ano ba yung love energy ng ating mga Pisces for this reading? For Pisces. Pisces, please. Wow! Taking rest, ha? Pahinga-pahinga, ha? Walang pakialam, ha? Okay. Let's see. One more, please. For more clarification. Okay. Alright, so you have the Four of Swords. You have the Ten of Pentacles. Ooh, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Nice. You have the Devil. You have the Nine of Swords. And you have the Strange. Okay, so looks like a past relationship or past love may resurface again or bumalik yung past mo, or yung mga unfinished emotional needs noon isasara mo na. Dalawa yon, no? May babalik, papayagan mo siya, or papayagan mo yung sarili mong bumalik doon, or papabayaan mo na lang, or yung mga unfinished emotional situation nun, yung mga needs nun, is isasarado mo na. Yung mga needs mo, okay, let me give you example, no? Dun sa sinasabi ko, unfinished emotional need, no? Yung papayagan mong bumalik yung past mo sa iyong buhay, or tatanggalin mo na siya mismo talaga doon. Kakalimutan mo na siya, i-release mo na siya, papabayaan mo na siya, and then you will move forward to the new cycle, new journey, new opportunities about love, no? Okay, let's take what resonate with you, okay? So, sinasabi dito, no, you have the Four of Swords, you have the Ten of Pentacles, and you have the Eight of Pentacles, no? See, Four of Swords is about rest and recovery from overthinking o kung ano man nung meron ka ngayon, or kung ano man yung mga alalahanin mo noon, no? Ika-clarify pa rin natin itong negative side na to. But, ito yung time na nandito ka sa let's say self-protection, no? Rejuvenation dito sa time na to. And then, when it comes to love, focus ka and stable ka naman eh. Stable ka naman ngayon. Hindi ka na katulad ng dati na you still searching for, because you're Pisces, you still searching for more emotional connection, for more deep connection, deep love connection. Gusto mo pa nang mag-explore when it comes to love, to emotional relationship. Gusto mo mag-explore pa ng mga bagay na gano'n, no? Ngayon, so yun nga, sorry, may tumatawag. So, nakafocus ka ngayon sa iyong family, no? Or sa mga parang tradition ka eh. Parang bumalik ka sa pagiging tradition mo. Kung ano ba talaga yung para sa iyo, sa iyong relationship, para sa, ano ba yung totoong family. Parang ganun na yung iniisip mo ngayon eh. That's your Ten of Pentacles. And you have the Eight of Pentacles, which is about dedication, no? Dedication na magkaroon ng stable relationship. Magkaroon ng legacy. Magkaroon ng foundation, no? Stability. So, yun yung energy mo, love. That even though, diba, even though noon meron kang mga, okay, only text will resonate. Maaaring nangyari na to or mangyayari sa'yo. But for me, nakikita ko is nangyari na to at kailangan mo pa ng more adjustment, no? Kailangan pa ng more adjustment para makuha mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo when it comes to relationship, no? Kung noon meron kang mga fear, anxiety, negativity, breaking point, nandun ka na sa point na nag-worries ka, magkaroon ka ng tension, no? meron kang temptation, meron kang addiction, meron kang obsession, meron kang dependency, meron medyo nawalan ka ng power, no? Even though na meron ganon, yung pagiging brave mo, pagiging matalino mo, at yung confidence mo pa rin sa sarili mo, nandoon pa rin, in-stay mo siya doon. So, maganda because this is about inner power mo eh. Yung inner power mo, hindi mo pinabayaang mawala. Kahit na meron mga pag-aalala na ibinigay sa'yo, nag-move forward ka pa rin, no? When it comes to love. Nag-move forward ka pa rin, di ka nagpadala sa love lang, no? Di ka nagpadala, which is very, very nice energy for you, Pisces, no? Alam mo, mahirap basahin yung ganito eh, yung ganitong cards na lumalabas sa inyo when it comes to love, no? Mahirap siyang basahin as a messenger and reader, no? Mahirap basahin yung mga ipinagduduktong-duktong natin yung mga situation, no? And of course, as ako na tinitrain ko talaga yung aking pagka-psychic para mabuo natin yung words na gusto nating mabuo, kung ano yung binibigay sa ating energy. And nakikita ko, in one spot lang ng tingin, doon sa mga card na lumalabas, ako na yung nagsashuffle eh. Kung papaano ko siya pagdidikitin, pagsasamahin. Kung makikita namin, or makikita ko as a tarot reader, nakikita ko kung ano yung energy na para dito at yung energy na para doon. No? So, maganda kasi nagkaroon ka ng pag-asa eh. Hindi ka nawalan ng pag-asa. Hindi ka nawalan ng pag-asa na kahit mga ganito yung situation na nangyari sa'yo noon, no? Noon na nagpa-stress sa'yo, nagpa-anxiety sa'yo, wala namang heartbreak na lumalabas dito eh. No? Which is malamang may mga heartbreak yan. Kasi pag-aalala, pag-anxiety, negativity, no? Parang toxic, napunta ka dun sa toxic relationship eh. No? Tension eh, nag-worry ka, nagkaroon ka ng tension, no? May mga obsession doon, no? Even though na ganon, kung hindi mo to energy or energy to ng ibang tao sa'yo, kung energy mo man to, no? Even though, di ba, kahit pa paano, umalis ka na. Umalis ka at nag-self-reflect ka dito sa ganitong situation. Pero kung hindi naman ikaw to at ibang tao naman to at ganito yung taong ginawa niya sa'yo, yun yung nagbigay sa'yo ng mas parang nagbigay sa'yo ng lakas ng loob para mag-move forward, no? And then, yes, bakit ko sinasabi nag-move forward ka? Because you have the Eight of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles is about, siya yung parang, nandun siya sa mastery eh. Nandun siya sa commitment of parang, tinitignan niya progress to eh. Parang progress eh. In short, moving forward. No, nandun siya sa pagiging dedication niya sa mga gusto niya gawin. No, meron siyang determinasyon na magtuloy-tuloy pa rin. No, magtuloy-tuloy pa rin. Diba? Nagtatrabaho siya. And we're talking about love. We're not talking about job or career or finances, no? We're talking about love. So, ibig sabihin nito, you have the strength, you have the Eight of Pentacles, you are moving forward after this Devil and Nine of Swords mo. Okay? So, that's your reading, Pisces. I hope you like it, and to all the signs, I hope nagustuhan nyo, and please do follow me. Follow me, likes the video, comment lang kayo na I open my path. So, that's your love reading for total lunar eclipse. And I hope nagustuhan nyo at naka-resonate po sa inyo yung ating mga readings today. And maraming salamat po sa pag-comment ninyo at sa inyong pagfa-follow sa aking account. And please comment, I am being asked to stop trying so hard and just be it. Ibig sabihin po nun, i-release natin. Ulitin ko po, comment nyo po dyan sa baba na I am being asked to stop trying so hard and just be it. Thank you and see you in my next video.